we can continue that on. I posted up another box for you guys. They are just quickies. 2015 Topps Diamond Football Box Break number 3. So S. Miller, AVL, Jason S., Smarley Gus, Me Taylor, Therapy Session Bobo, E39. I like it. AD actually uses Bing. Good. I thought you used, what is it, web crawler or something like that? All right, DeFella's even swinging in late night. S. Miller, B. Cedro getting weird. Why not? Let's go. Oh man, I told you, dude, this stuff, it just looks so clean. How clean is that? Give me Jim Kelly, 5 out of 50. Going to Schmuffalo. AVL, cannot stop. You can only hope to contain. On card. I love it. And then people are calling for him to have a big year. And dude, how tight is the green version? 3 out of 10. Jay Ajayi. Whatever. Yes. And this is going to Miami. Put Bobo on the board with a nasty old 4-color green on card. See, when it's on card autos, they can get wild with it. So slick. Oh my goodness. And then Kelvin, all about them Benjis. Going to Carolina. E39 is not your boy Devin Funches. It's Kelvin. 2 out of 10. Dude, for an all-black card, this stuff's cut pretty damn well. So that was a really good box, though, with Kelvin, the J, and Jim Kelly.